So in September 2010, a 15 horsepower, 60 Hz, 4-pole wound rotor, 3-phase, 208 volt induction motor draws 12 kilowatts from the line. Its losses are as follows: stator copper loss 900, iron loss 800, rotor copper loss 300, friction and windage loss 150 watts. So what is the speed of this motor in RPM? Ano yan? Rotor speed or synchronous speed? It is the rotor speed. Malapit siya sa 1/8. Okay, kasi yung synchronous speed 120 times 60, i-divide natin ng 4, 3, 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So 1,800 revolution per minute. Of course, magkakalapit yan, kailangan nating isolve yung tamang rotor speed. So since ang mga given dyan ay mga power, so ano ba yung formula na may slip? Yung RCL. So RCL is equal to slip times RPI. Pag narating na natin yan, yung slip is RCL over RPI. Ito na yung RCL. Determine na lang natin yung RPI. So yung draws. So kaya presently 12 kilowatts. Di natin alam yung 15 horsepower. Kung lang yun, yung full load niya. Dito tayo magbe-base doon sa 12 kilowatts. So 12 kilowatts. So 12,000 watts. Yan yung stator power input. Then ma-minus natin yung SCL. O pababa, 900 watts. Then SIL, kasali yung 800 dito. So ano yung RPI? Pag isosolve natin yung RPI, that will be 12,000. Parang input, yung RPI output. Yung input niya 12,000. Yung losses at this part involving RPI are the stator losses, 900 saka 800. So minus 900, then minus 800. So that will be 10,300. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Minus 900, minus 800. So 10,300 watts. So ano yung slip? Pag nakuha natin yung slip, makukuha na natin yung rotor speed. Slip is RCL 300 over 10,300. Cancel yung dalawang 0, yung 100. 3 over 103. So therefore, what is the rotor speed? That will be 1 minus slip 3,100, 3 over 103 multiplied by the synchronous speed 1/8. $300 divided by 1,000. Okay. So minus 1 times 1,800, then absolute 1748 approximately. So i-round up na natin, parang pipiliin natin na choice is letter D. Practice lang, kaya may mga quizzes kayo. Next, a 6-pole, 3-phase wound rotor, 60 Hz wound rotor induction motor delivers 25 horsepower at 1,150 RPM. If the rotational losses of the motor are 300 watts, what is the rotor power input in kilowatts? So, nagdi-deliver na siya ng 25 horsepower. So, ibig sabihin, i-consider na natin yung output. So this is the P output. 25 horsepower. The conversion is There are 746 watts in 1 horsepower is equal to 18,650. Then rotational losses 300 watts. RCL dito. Yung RPI dito yung unknown. Okay? Tama, no? Rotor power input RPI greater than 18.65 lahat. Solve natin. Yung RPI, pag nakuha na natin yung PM, that will be PM divided by 1 minus slip. Okay? So, what is the mechanical power developed? Ito sa part na to, yung P output niya, ayun, ito yung output. Ito yung loss. Ito yung parang input dito sa part na to. So, PM is yung P out, i-add natin yung loss. Plus 300 is equivalent to 18,950. So 18,950 RPM. RPM. Tutuloy ako. Watts. Taas na ng speed. Watts. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-solve yung RCL. So, isosolve na lang natin yung slip. Kung mapapansin nyo yung rotor speed ay 1,150. So, ano yung synchronous speed na malapit, na mas mataas sa 1,150? Again, that is 1,2. So, minus 1,150 divided by 1,2. So, 1,2 minus 1,150 divided by 1,2. So, 1/24. Then, substitute na natin dito. Yung RPI is equivalent to the mechanical power developed, 18,950 divided by all over 1 minus 1/24. 18,950 divided by 1 minus 1/24. Tama. So, 19, so divided by 1,000, 19.774 kilowatts. So, pipiliin natin yung letter C. Hindi pa kayo sure, huwag nyo muna i-encircle, okay? Para kung may time pa kayong mag-review ng mga answers nyo bago kayo mag-shade dun sa board exam. And magpa-practice naman kayo sa refresher before ng exam. So, expect natin na April, di ba rin, nakakon naman na kayo. Naka-review na kayo. Advantage yun na yun. Kahit na maaga, March man yun or April, naka-review na kayo. Yun naman yung advantage nyo. At least hindi nyo na hinintay. Expected naman na mapopostpone yung board exam due to the rising cases of COVID. Okay, so next, number 15. A three-phase induction motor draws 4.5 amperes from its lines at 230 volts, line to line at a power factor of 0.153 while running at no load. Its DC resistance line to line between two phases of the stator is 0.863. What is the rotational losses? no load, kaya maliit lang. So, ang P input, so ito yung SPI at no load is square root of 3. 3 phase, ano? Kaya meron tayong square root of 3 times the line-to-line voltage at the stator multiplied by I line times the power factor. O, huwag niyong kakalimutan tong formula na yan. Doon sa 3-phase power. The square root of 3 times 230 times 4.5 times 0.153. So, what is P input? Square root of 3. So, tinatanong yung rotational losses. So, times 230 times 4.5 times 0.153. So, 274.279. Ito yung rotational losses, RL. Ang input, 274. Wala naman itong load, kaya yung RCL natin, 0. Yung P output, 0. Yung RPI natin, 0 din. So, ito yung ima-minus natin. Yung stator copper loss. Para tayo mag-solve ng copper loss. So again, 3 times the stator current squared times the stator resistance per phase. Then, isosolve na natin. RL yan, rotational losses. Isosolve natin ito, then ima-minus natin siya ta 274.2. Ay, hindi na yan. Cross na yan. RL, maliit lang siya. Baka ito 241. Pwede rin to. Masyado siya atang maliit to. Okay, solve na natin. Doon sa DC, ano ba, yung consider natin na nakaway yung stator. So, 0.863 yung measurement between two terminals. Tapos, ito yung RDC. Ano yung makakompute natin? Dalawang RDC na nakaseries. Yung isang part, mawawala lang yung walang connection. So, RDC is 0.863 divided by square root of, divided by 2. 0.863 divided by 2. So, 0.4315. Yung RS, parang AC ito. AC resistance. So, ang gagamitin natin, 1.25. Wala nakalagay dyan. Any 1 point something between 1 to 1.5. So, i-divide natin yung difference ng dalawang yon, 0.5 divided by 2. Kaya mag-meet tayo dun sa gitna. So, 1.25 o 0.4315. This is 0.53935 ohms. So, ano na ngayon? Yung IS, yun pa rin. Ito. Ayan yung IS per phase. So, yung magiging rotor, stator, yung SCL is equivalent to 3 times IS is 4.5 squared multiplied by yung na-compute natin, 0.53. 9375. times 1.25. Okay, times 4.5 squared times 3. So 32.767. So still in watts. So what is now the rotor loss or rotational loss? Walang load yung rotor, kaya yung rotor power input 0, power output 0, RCL 0. This will be 274.279. So at no load, the input power is used to supply the stator copper loss and the rotational loss para malaman natin, parang DC motors din, para malaman natin yung mechanical losses. So minus 32.767. 274.279 minus 32.767. So 241.512. So 241.512 watts, letter D. Hindi nyo na ma-predict, lapit siya sa 274. Konti lang naman yung stator copper loss. Oh, yung PM, 0 din. Ito lang yung power na yan, susupply niya to. Yung dalawang yan. Okay, next. 220 10 kilowatts, 3-phase, 60 Hz, 6-pole induction motor, operates at full load. And with an efficiency of 85%. If the power factor is 80% and the slip is 10%, what is the full load torque? Wala yung solution ko. Full load torque, mahaba kasi yung formula niyan. So the full load torque full load torque. Wala naman yung EB, wala naman yung slip, 10%. Okay, full load, 10 kilowatts. Ano na yung formula? 2 pi, 60 times the power divided by 2 pi ns. Okay, INR. Efficiency 10 kilowatts. 10 kilowatts. Output 60 times 10,000 divided by 2 pi times NR. What will be the value of NR? 1 minus 10 So, yung NS is 120 times 60 divided by 6. 1,200. 1 minus 10%, 0.1 times 1, 2. 1,080. Check nga natin, 1,080. Efficiency. Input yon. Sleep, power factor. Output, 6. Parang output. Natin. 6 times 10 exponent 3 divided by 2 divided by pi divided by 1,080. 60. 88.42 Newton meter. So ito, P out. So that will be letter D. In problem number 16, what is the full load current of the motor? So, three-phase line-to-line current or line current. I line is equal to P output divided by square root of 3 times the line-to-line voltage times the power factor. So, yung I line, input yan. So, times the efficiency. Para yung power output maging input. So that will be 10,000 divided by square root of 3. 220, 85, 80. 220, then 0.85, then 0.8. Hindi na natin kailangan yung angle. So we only need the magnitude. So 10 exponent 3 divided by square root of 3 times 220. Then times 0.85 times 0.8. 38.59. Letter B. Number 18, a three-phase 220 volt 10 horsepower induction motor having a power factor of 0.8 has 3% losses. Determine the current drawn by the motor. Maybe the efficiency, since my 3% loss, so 1 minus 3%. So that is equivalent to 97% or 0.97. Tinatanong yung current drawn ay input. Yun yung stator current. So ISL is equivalent to the power output divided by square root of 3 times E line to line times the efficiency times the power factor. P output, naka-horsepower, so 10 times 746 divided by square root of 3 times the line-to-line voltage is 220 multiplied by the efficiency 0.97, then divide also by the power factor 0.8. So the line current drawn by the motor is equivalent to ano yung 10? 10 horsepower. So, open. Then times 746 divided by square root of 3. Then times 220 times 0.97 times 0.8. 25.23 amperes. So letter A.